Hey, family, I want to come on here and share with y'all one reason why 9 to 5 professionals don't break past 5 to 10K a month. Even if you're starting or you've been in business for a little while, why some people don't break past 5 to 10K a month. And the reason why is their self-belief. The key word is self-belief. They don't have that confidence in themselves to believe that they can accomplish more. That imagination, that the thing that they see on the canvas of their minds, they don't believe that it can come to pass. So they doubt themselves. They lack that confidence to say, I'm able to do what I see in my mind. And so I want to break down a couple of things to help you break past how to get that self-confidence to believe that you can surpass 5 to 10K in business. Self-confidence, self-belief is basically confidence to bet on yourself when you don't see any proof. So you're betting on yourself. You're saying, I'm going to accomplish this, but I don't see no evidence of it. So it's basically faith without the evidence yet. And so I want to help you ask this question. So what makes us lose confidence in ourselves when it comes to business or even in life? What makes us lose confidence? One of the things that how we lose confidence is being in the wrong environment. Being in the wrong environment. And so it's very important that you audit your circle because someone who has lack of faith, someone who has a jealousy spirit might condemn you for dreaming bigger than them. And so now they're telling you what you can't accomplish because they can't accomplish it. They can't see you how God sees you. So when they speak that in your life, that negativity, it enters your spirit because confidence is an inner thing, not an exterior thing. Confidence, believing in yourself is an interior thing. It's inner belief, not exterior belief. So now that person speak negative because life and death is in the power of the tongue. So their words cause you to doubting yourself. And so you lose confidence in the dream that you already have or that you can accomplish more. You can't do that. So it's very important that you look around your environment and get around people who are dreaming bigger than you so you can jump on their confidence to go to the next level. So you have to audit your circle. You have to audit your circle. Another way we lose confidence is repeatedly disappointing ourselves by not following through. Yeah, repeatedly not following through, and we lose confidence. We say, this is what we tell ourselves, I'll start next month. I'll do it when things slow down. We constantly letting ourselves down, and so we lose confidence in ourselves. We lose that self-confidence, that self-belief in ourselves because we don't trust ourselves anymore. I'm the first. I raise my hand. That's me. That's me. It's a spirit of procrastination where I procrastinate sometimes and tell myself I'm going to do something. When it's time to do it, I back out of it. I do it next month. I'm going to wait till Monday. And so you when you don't trust yourself, you don't have confidence in yourself. When you don't trust yourself, you don't have confidence in yourself. So that hinders you from moving forward. It hinders you from believing in yourself. It hinders you from believing in that business that you can produce more inside your business because you lack confidence in yourself. You're not confident, so you walk in uncertainty. You're not certain about making certain decisions because there's the lack of self-belief in yourself. Another thing is the fear of judgment or comparison. The fear of judgment in comparison. I can't do it like him. I can't do it like her. I'm behind time. I maybe it's not for me. Because you can't look at somebody's middle and say that it's not for you because you're just beginning. They had to start some way too. And so, as you know, don't get so caught up in focusing on somebody who started way before. You don't know their story. You don't know how they got started. Maybe they had mentors. Maybe they paid for mentors. You're just getting started. So now you're comparing, you're going on social media looking at their lifestyle, saying that, oh, I can't speak like them. I can't do this like them. You don't know what you have inside of you because you're allowing your self-confidence to fall because you're looking at them in their highlight reel. But if you go back in the beginning where they start from, you'll see that there was at the same place, wasn't confident like how you were inconfident in the beginning. So stop looking at people's highlight reel and letting it judge how you are. Stop looking at the highlight reel. Another thing that we do is we depend on exterior validation. We depend on exterior validation because you're stuck or you're just starting out in business. You know what you go around asking people what's their thoughts. And one of the things I tell my clients is you can't ask another 9-to-5 worker who don't know business a question about business. They don't know. You go and ask somebody who's already established, who's already done what you or want to do. But we go around, we ask for our family's approval. We go around asking people approval. And in your heart, you know what to do, but you want the approval of the external validation. Am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the right thing? So you go asking your family members what to do. Should I do this? Should I do this? Where in your heart, you know what to do because you've been studying this thing for so long. You've been masterminding so long. You've been around people so long. So you get caught up in looking at and leading their validation. Another place you look for validation from your friends. It's okay to get their opinion, but don't let their opinion be your truth. Don't let it be your truth. Don't let it be your truth. Allow yourself to have that confidence. Say, I'm going to make this decision. And if I fail because I made a decision. I'm confident in my decision. Don't let nobody make decisions the way God has given. Thank you. God has given you the vision for your life. So why are you going to take somebody's opinion and make it the gospel? Make it your truth. Now, I'm not saying you take somebody's opinion and you weigh it and say, okay, I'll try this, I'll try this. But don't let it be your final decision, somebody else's opinion. The exterior validation. Exterior validation. So the question is, how do we build confidence in ourselves? How we get that confidence back that we lost? How do we get that confidence? Like one of the things I said is getting in the right environment. Getting around people. Say you want to make $10,000. So you got to get around community of people who's making 10,000, 100,000 a year, $1 million a year. You got to get in perimeter of people who are thinking at a higher level than you. Another way you have to do it is start getting small wins. Just start winning. It don't have to be big wins. Sign your first client. Hit 5K a month. Hit 3K a month. Get small wins. So now you start building momentum and that belief start coming back. That belief start coming back. You start believing in yourself more. Get small wins. Get small wins. Another thing you have to do is you have to keep your promise. Keep your promise. If you don't keep your promise, you will fail. Keep your promise. And the last thing is you got to take action before you have certainty. Take action before you have certainty. You got to take action. I'm going to put a link in there. If you want a free consultation on how you can scale your business and help you with your self-belief and if you want to go past 5 to 10K a month, I'm going to put a link in the comments, man. Sign up. Let's get started, man. Let's make some money in 2026. Y'all be blessed.